Looking for easy and quick salad ideas for your next meal? Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to share 10 scrumptious salad recipes that you can whip up in less than 20 minutes. Salads are more than just leafy greens. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, full of vibrant colors and flavors. They are a perfect addition to your meals, especially if you're keeping an eye on your health. Stay tuned as we dive into these 10 quick, easy, and delicious salad recipes. Kick off with the classic Caesar salad. Begin with a bed of crisp romaine lettuce, then layer in cubed Caesar chicken, crunchy croutons, and thinly sliced red onion. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and drizzle a light vinaigrette dressing all over. Enjoy this simple yet satisfying salad. Next up, a flavorful taco salad. This dish combines lettuce, shredded chicken, red onion, black beans, and avocado, all nestled in a tortilla. Top it off with a tangy lime dressing and a sprinkle of cilantro. A tangy delight awaits you. For our veggie lovers, veggie spring rolls and stuffed lettuce wraps are on the menu. To make the spring rolls, douse rice noodles in a light soy sauce, throw in steamed veggies, boiled shrimp, bean sprouts, and top off with a crunchy peanut sauce. Serve over mixed greens. Now for the lettuce wraps, pack your favorite sandwich ingredients into a lettuce leaf. Think shredded cheese, chicken, avocado, and don't forget a dressing, like ranch, for extra zing. Indulge in these veggie-packed delights. How about some sweet potato noodles and a refreshing Greek salad? Let's sauté sliced sweet potatoes in a dash of olive oil. Mix these with chopped red onion, black beans, corn, and avocado. A creamy lime dressing ties it all together. For the Greek salad, we begin with cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, olives, and feta cheese. A light lemon or dill dressing is the perfect finishing touch. Savor these hearty and fresh salads. Experience some international flavors with an Asian noodle salad and caprese salad. For the Asian noodle salad, you'll simply toss together noodles, chopped veggies, chicken, and a sweet and sour sauce, then finish with a light sesame seed dressing. Moving to Italy, our caprese salad is a delightful layering of fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, topped off with a balsamic glaze. It's a simple yet delicious twist on a classic. Taste the world with these flavorful salads. Finally, we have a unique pesto mac and cheese and a light avocado and grilled chicken salad. For the pesto mac, mix elbow macaroni with a creamy basil pesto sauce and mozzarella cheese. It's perfect for a busy weeknight. On the other hand, the avocado and grilled chicken salad is tossed with juicy chicken, diced avocado, red onion, and cherry tomatoes, all in a tangy lemon vinaigrette. It's a light and flavorful salad, ideal for a backyard barbecue. End your salad journey on a high note with these delicious dishes. No salad is complete without a dressing. Here's a quick tahini dressing recipe. Grab a quarter cup of tahini, mix in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Add this flavorful dressing to any salad to enhance its taste. And there you have it, 10 quick and easy salad recipes. From the classic Caesar and Greek salads, to the unique pesto mac and cheese, and the refreshing avocado and grilled chicken salad, we've covered a wide variety of flavors and ingredients, all under 20 minutes. Remember, these salads are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Don't be afraid to get creative, mix and match ingredients, or add your own twist to these recipes. Perhaps you'd like to try the tahini dressing with the Asian noodle salad, or maybe add some grilled shrimp to the caprese salad? The possibilities are endless. Try these out for your next meal and enjoy a burst of flavors and health benefits. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.